how to export SRT file from vid.io. So first go to vid.io and then just upload your file or audio file, video file here. And then what you need to do is just click on that file here at the bottom, and then you can just click on, where is it, subtitles here at the left side. Then from there you just need to choose your language first, and then you can just click on auto subtitle. Okay, now after that let's just wait for it to generate the subtitles. Okay, now after that you can choose any of the format here that you want. So you can just, after choosing the format, you can just click on this one, then you can click on download and then click on SRT format. Okay, now for you to be able to do that, you need to have a subscription here in vid.io. So if you have a subscription, you can automatically download it from here. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.